Hey there, I'm Cole, and this is Summer Reading Club 2020 at the Powell River Public Library. Mission 1 is to make these wacky aliens. You are going to need 2 6-inch cardboard squares, 2 clothespins, 2 adhesive-backed magnets, calendar numbers on cardstock and white paper, pencil, scissors, glue, and coloring supplies. I'm going to use felts. Start by cutting out the cardstock numbers. If you want, you can cut the excess white paper from around the numbers for a cleaner look. Next, we're going to cut out the pieces of paper that we're going to use for the alien faces. Use the pieces of cardboard as a guide. At this point, you can also start to sketch out your alien's face. Now, we're going to cut out the faces. Now it's time to glue. I'm using a glue stick, but if you want, you could use white glue as well. Now we're going to start coloring. I'm using felts because they produce a nice bright color, but you can also use paints, pencil crayons, or crayons. Now, we're going to use glue to fasten clothespins to the front of our aliens' faces. You can also add a little bit of color to the clothespin if you want to. Finally, we're going to add the 2 adhesive magnets to the back of our aliens. And with that, we're done. You can put the numbers in your aliens' mouths to use them as a calendar.